Hi guys, just a follow-up video from Trading the Trend. Another little tip to help all you Forex traders determine when the market might be moving. And the good forward indicator for that is a dollar basket, of course, or as I call it, the Dixie. So what I'll do, I'll flick a screen on and I'll show you what I mean. Just let me share the screen. There we go. So we've got a trade on here. I'll just take that. I'll just bag the profit on that and get rid of that. Right, okay. So what we're looking at here, let's put the Dixie up, the dollar basket as I call it. So the dollar basket is a really good indicator for people who are trading cable, trading Euro, USD, and the Dixie. Not the Dixie, sorry, I'll get that right in a minute. The USD, Japanese yen. Now, what people generally aren't aware of, and it is a bit of a surprise, is the importance of the dollar basket when you trade in Euro, USD, and cable. So here's a quick tip. I'll just pull this document up here from my trading room, and this is one of the many. I'll just scroll down very quickly. Where are we? Here. Whoops, let's get this right. US dollar basket. People aren't really understand that dollar basket is an average of the US dollar against a basket of 6 currencies. So when you look at here, of all the European currencies, it's 77% is traded, value is traded against the dollar basket. So really, if we're going to trade euro, dollar, Japanese dollar, or pound cable, as I call it, we really need to know where the Dixie is going. So if you're going to trade these, always good to look at where the Dixie is. I'll talk about this a bit later, actually, on another video on the myth of this being a 24-hour market, because it clearly is not. The Forex is not a 24-hour market. You can trade 24 hours, but there's all different exchanges. I'll just get rid of that and let's get to the point. So you can see the dollar basket here. Market's trading down. Obviously, people do trade the dollar basket on its own. It's come down to some sort of interesting levels here on the hour. But using this is a really good indication of what's happening to the euro and the cable and USD Japan or yen. So you can see here the dollar basket. You can see the dollar basket now. It's coming down. It's at the bottom. It looks like it's starting to go to the top. These are Heikin-Ashi candles. If we flip over, for instance, Euro USD, you'll see, we've got a robot there trading short. That's an AI algo, and that's obviously detected the turn in the market and started to trade. So just ignore that. I'll just turn it off so you're not distracted by the market coming down. So dollar basket, market starting to go up, Euro USD going down, and cable potentially also coming down because there's a constituent part. There you go. Is there anything on cable? No, I've already taken the profit on that one. Right. So quick trick, set up your screen. And I set up a screen, call it, as you can see, the Indie. And what I like to do is, if you're going to trade cable, for argument's sake, you can, let's say 30 minutes, set up the dollar basket at half the time frame that you want to trade your particular asset. So what you're looking for here is a dollar basket running up if you want to short this. Cable is a short at the moment. And what you will see is this market coming down. What this will do, it'll give you a quick heads up of actually what's happening early in the market when you start to come down to potential stops. You can make the sensitivity a lot more here. You can see the dollar basket itself still going up, but potentially it may well roll over here. That's giving you a quick heads up to watch out and taking profits coming down. So dollar basket, really good indicator to give you a heads up of what's happening for cable and euro USD coming down. So you can see here, you can sit quite comfortably knowing that we've got some nice Icanashi candles all pushing up. Dollar basket is gathering some pace. Watch out, the stock is starting to be overcooked, but market's still coming down. So it gives you a little bit of confidence, as well as all the rest of the indicators that you might like to use, that the dollar basket is still pushing up, so this is still pushing down. A quick check, I forgot to do the USD Japani, that should be the opposite direction. There we go. Dollar basket going up, dollar going up, dollar against the Japanese yen going up. Great indicator, and everyone should use this. If you're a trader, then you should be using this and you should know this. If you don't, set these screens up and it will change your trading. Another little add to your war chest in becoming a consistent trader. I hope that helped, and let me know what you think about this. Try it, use it, and then you tell me and the difference it makes, and it will make a big difference. So happy trading, profitable trading, and stay consistent. Bye-bye.